In this video, I will discuss about the Fourier complex variables question which is asked in GATE 2006 to GATE 2012. Okay. Now let's start the first question. For the function of a complex variable w is equal to L and Z, where w is equal to u plus jv and z is equal to x plus jy, and the u constant line gets the map in z plane as set of radial straight lines, set of concentric circle, set of confocal hyperbola, set of confocal ellipse. Okay, now start the solution. Solution. So W is given L and Z, and it is nothing but log x plus jy. Okay, and W is u plus j b. This one log the exponential x jy we can rewrite as a real part and complex imaginary part is different. We can write as half log e x square plus y square plus j tan inverse y by x. Okay. And if you are getting difficulty to how it is solve it, so put it x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta and simplify it. Okay, then you will get the same thing. This one, this part. Okay, so u plus jv and here u plus jv is equal to half log x square plus y square plus a tan inverse y by x. U is constant. U is constant, and u will be so u will be half log x square plus y square. Okay, and here is a u is a constant line. So half log exponential x square plus y square is equal to c. So it will be after simplification 2c x square plus y square is equal to e to power 2c 2c 2c. Okay, so it is a nothing but equation of circle having same center. Okay, center is 0 0, equation of a circle. So option b will be the right answer, concentric. Okay, now comes to next question. The value of contour integral close integral 1 by z square plus 4 dz in positive sense is z minus j equal to 2. Okay, solution. We can write as 1 plus z square plus 4 is 1 upon z plus 2j z minus 2j. Okay, so only poles, let's see, here two poles. Poles are minus 2j and 2j. Okay, so here is given circle z minus j mod z minus j is equal to 2 is given. Okay, so from here this here only poles uh, 2j is passed inside the circle. Only poles 2j is inside the circle. Inside the circle. So formula integration is equal to close integration mod z minus j is equal to 2 upon z square plus 4 dz is equal to 2 pi j upon 2j plus 2j is equal to pi by 2. Why? because we have to consider only z minus j 2 equal to 2. Here we will consider only uh, these these poles are only poles 2j lie inside the circle to show it will be z plus 2. Okay, so here uh, 5/2 will be the right answer, or option D will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. What is the formula? So formula is 1 upon s square minus 1 ds. In terms of z, you can say that s plus 1 or s minus 1 ds. So 2 pi j into sum of the residue. Residue. What is the residue? Residue. Residue at poles pole as is equal to minus 1 is 0. 8 pole as is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0 from here, as is equal to minus 1. Then for as minus is equal to minus 1, we have to take it like this way: as plus 1 multiplication, as plus 1 multiplication of as plus 1 or as minus 1. So this one will be cancelled out. Uh, this one cancel out. No. Actually, this one okay. The residue at poles s is equal to minus 1, so 0, because this one is the outside of the circle. Okay, and residue residue at pole s is equal to 1 is, what will happen? Limit s tends to 1, s minus 1 upon s minus 1 or s plus 1. This one cancel out, and here will be 1 by 2. In similar fashion, here we got, see, uh, for here s plus uh, uh, what is this? Uh, these poles are inside the circle. Okay, 2z. So put z minus 2j and upon z minus 2j and z plus 2j. This one cancel out, you will get z plus 2z and 2z at z is equal to minus 2z. What is the 2 minus z? This one is the outside of the circle. Because of that, this one resolution will be 0. Okay, got it? Now next, if the semicircle of the contour P radius 2 is shown in figure, and the value of integral 1 upon s minus square. In similar solution, example, see, contour s square minus 1 ds. The poles are poles are 1 or minus 1. Okay, one is okay, one is inside the circle contour and semicircle contour, and minus 1 is the outside. So minus 1 will be the 0. So residue at O s equal to minus 1 is 0, because outside of the circle, and residue at pole s equal to 1 is, what will happen? S square minus 1, and here s minus 1 multiply it. So you will get s plus 1 and limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1, then you will get 1 upon 2. So, integration will be 2 pi j into residual 1 by 2. So, it will be pi j. Option A will be right answer. Now comes to next question. The equation of sin z is equal to 10 has sin z is equal to 10. Sin z is equal to 10 is equal to e to power I z, yeah, jz, we can write. I'm indicating complex indication as a j. Okay, 2j 10. You can write I also, no problem. So what will happen here? E to power I j jj minus 1 upon e to power z is equal to 20 j, or e to power jz square minus 1 is equal to 20 j z. E to power I jz is equal to 20 j plus minus root under 1 minus 3 minus 6 20 j plus j are 11 into 2. So after simplification you will get 10 I 10 j plus minus 3 root 11 j, or I z is equal to ln 10 I plus minus 3 root 11 I. Sometimes I writing I or j, don't confuse, both are same things. So from here I z is equal to ln I, I which I have taken common, plus ln 10 plus 3 root 11. Okay, and after simplification, so I z is equal to ln I. ln I we can write ln 1 plus I pi by 2 plus 2 and pi plus ln 10 plus minus root 3 11. So I z, therefore infinite number of complex solution. So there is not a finite number of complex solution you will get, because it depends upon the n number of terms. So here you will get, therefore therefore infinite number of complex solution. Okay, now comes to next question. The residue of the function f z at z minus 2 is, we have to find out the residue. Okay, so what will happen, since limit z 2 is equal to z minus 2 whole square f z is finite and non zero. F z has a pole of order 2 at z is equal to 2. The residue of z is equal to 1 a in order of n. Residue f a is equal to 1 by 12 and b n minus 1 upon dz is minus 1, z a and fz n is equal to 2. So residual f2 is equal to 1 by factorial 1 d upon dj z minus 2 whole square fz and z is equal to 3. So what will happen? D upon dz z minus 2 whole square into fz z plus 2 whole square z minus 2 whole square dz. So here will be minus 2 z plus 2 minus 3. So z equal to 2. So here will be minus 2 2 plus 2 whole 3 that's 1 30 32. This is the right answer. So minus 1 by 32 right answer option A. Now next question. If fz is equal to c0 plus c1 z inverse, then f integration unit circle 1 plus fz upon z dz is given by. So solution fz is equal to c0 plus c1 z inverse unit circle as one pole at origin. It has one pole at origin. So z 1 plus fz upon z dz. This one cancel out. So 2 pi z is equal to 1 plus f0. So 2 pi j f0 f0 will be uh, f0 will be c0. Okay, only c0. So 1 plus c naught. So answer will be 2 pi j 1 plus c naught. Now comes to next question. Residual of the complex function xz is equal to 1 minus 2z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2 its poles are at its poles. First, think where is the poles? Poles are 0, 1 and 2. We have to find out the residue. All this residue 0 will be limit s tends to 0 and 1 minus 2z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2 and multiplication of z and put z equal to 0, then we will get 1 upon 2. Okay. Now residue 1 is equal to limit z equal to 1 and 1 minus 2z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 1. So minus 1 upon minus 1. So cancel out 1 and residue 2 is equal to limit z tends to 2 and 1 minus 2z upon z, z minus 1. Okay, and and z minus 2 is multiplier z minus 2. This one cancel out, and when you put the 2, 1 minus 4 upon 2, 2 minus 1, and minus 3 by 2. These are the answers of half 1 minus 3 by 2. Half 1 minus 3 by 2, option C will be the right answer. Comes to next question. 8 number. The value of integral C is the circle. Mod z is given by mod z 1. So C is the circle. So I is equal to summation minus 3z plus 4 is equal to z square plus 4z plus 5 dz. So 2 pi I sum of measuring poles of minus 3z plus 4 z square plus 4z plus 5 is are given below. How to find out pole? Z square plus 4z plus 5 is equal to 0, and z is equal to minus 4 plus minus root under b square 16 minus 4 ac 5 upon 2a 2. So minus 4 plus minus 2I upon 2. Since the poles of outside the circle about there, sure here is the all the poles. Check it. Pole. What is the pole? Minus 2 plus a and minus 2 minus a. Both poles are outside the unity circle. Okay, outside the unity circle. So residue will be 0. So hence integration dz is equal to 2 pi I 0 equal to 0. It will be the 0. Now comes to next question. If x is equal to minus root under minus 1, then the value of x to power x is here x is equal to root under minus 1. It means I, where I is the complex, okay, complex, then polar coordinates, okay. So x is equal to, we can write as cos pi by 2 plus I sine pi by 2, okay, and this one we can write as e to power I pi by 2. Now x to power x means I to power I. It means e to power I pi by 2 to power I, and it will be power to power multiply e to power I square pi by 2, and it will be e to power minus pi by 2 will be the right answer. So then here will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Given fz is equal to, if c is the counterclockwise path, it tells us that z plus 1 is equal to 1, then the value of, we have to find out, uh, z is equal to given 1 upon z plus 1 minus 2 upon z plus, okay, and we have to find out poles are minus 1 and minus 2, okay. When you take the this one mod z plus 1 equal to 1, then what will happen? X plus j y plus 1 mod is equal to 1. It means x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1. It means we can say that in x coordinate minus 1 and y 0. So here is the center and radius 1. So it will be cover like this way. Okay. And to check it poles are minus 1 and minus 30. So only minus 1 are inside the minus 1 each inside the circle. So we can get only residue of this one, not this one. This one will be the 0. So what will happen? So 1 upon 2 pi j integration fz dz is residue those poles residue of those poles which are inside circle. So the required integral given by uh, here. So this residue will be how to residue find out z is equal to minus 1 limit z is equal to minus 1 and multiply it for from whole function will be z plus 3 and z minus z plus 1 into 2 upon z plus 1 and z plus 3 and z plus 1 minus 1 put it. So this one will be the 0 and 2 upon 2 okay, will be the right. Option C will be the right answer. Thank you for watching. Next class, I will discuss complex variable, which is asked in GATE 2013 onwards. Okay, 2014 onwards. 2013, not no one question asked on the complex variables. So next class we will discuss.